Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I think I'm going to do a waterfall pour, but normally when I do a waterfall pour, I don't put down a base coat. This time I have put down a white base coat. It's Artist Loft White Flow Acrylic, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. My colors that I'm using are sort of like natural earth tone colors. It's golden, and I'll put the way that it's mixed down in the description box. This is Yellow Ochre. This one is Phthalo Green. This one is Phthalo Blue, and this is Zinch White. I'm going to, do I do a layered cup or do I do a dirty cup for this? Decisions. I don't like making decisions sometimes. I get these ideas and then I just don't carry them through far enough before I get on camera. So, I think I'm just going to put some in the cup and see what happens. I think it's going to mix anyway because it's pretty thin. So, that laid on top a little bit. Oh, that's green, and blue and yellow makes green, and that Zinch White is wanting to fall right through. So it might blend a little bit down in there. So it's a layered dirty cup. I'll put some more blue in there. Shoot it down in there. I don't know how much I want. I don't want the whole canvas covered. I know that. Drop some goopery stuff in there. So, I think I'm gonna put some, that's zinc. I'm gonna put some titanium in there too, because it's heavy also, but it's not as transparent. So, I think I'll turn it this way so I can hold it up a little bit. Hope you all are having a good day. I'm so afraid this is going to turn out ugly. Oh, me. I'm going to save a little of it, just in case. Too much base coat left on there, I guess. I'm certainly not used to it running that fast, because normally when I do one that's a waterfall, I don't put down a base coat because I want to have more control over it. Colors are pretty. Push that blue out a little bit on that side. Hope it mixes some. Still have a lot of paint on here. The yellow ochre, even though I put quite a bit in the bottom of it, kind of got lost. I think I'm gonna bring it to that end, bring it down a little bit. See if that'll help shove it over a little bit. Turn it back up. Let it run back the other way a little bit. Stretch it out some. Ooh, I kind of like this. There is still quite a bit of paint on here. Oh yeah. Well, I wish that green hadn't gone off the edge. I'm just watching it go. Maybe to balance it a little bit, I'll try to bring some more down and push it over that way. Kind of offset this part right here. Almost let it run down too far. Now, let that spiral back in a little bit, some of that white. Hope this dries okay. It's got quite a bit of paint still left on the canvas. But I kind of like that the way it is. Look how pretty that is, where the white and the blue mixed. Beautiful. Maybe I need to mix some. I'm really digging this dark blue right in here. To me, this is so pretty. And that green is a pretty green. So, now I have some left over in the cup. I'm like, ooh, what should I do with that? I really don't want to put it on here. Maybe I'll just take a small canvas and put that paint on it. I might put a bunch more white down in it and see what happens. Lighten the color some. So, I'm going to take the camera down, give you all a close-up. Y'all tell me what you think. There's parts of this that are so pretty. Right up in that dark area right in there, and where it weaves its way down through there. I love it. Love it. So, thank you so much, and thanks for subscribing. If you're a new subscriber, look at the comment box, the description box for all my paint mixes and colors. I give a better description there than I do when I'm talking, so you can look for it there. Thank you again for watching. I'll take the camera down now and give you a close-up. I hope this dries pretty, because it sure is gorgeous. I love that right there. Just beautiful. Like the way the colors mixed. The yellow ochre did kind of fade out, blend in with the green and the blue, but I still think this is pretty. I kind of like it. It's a little different than what I normally do. So tell me what you all think in the comments. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful evening.